Is your Windows PC taking a long time to start? In the next 2 minutes, I will show you a free trick that can make it boot much faster. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your Windows laptop or desktop boot much faster using a simple built-in Windows tool. The best part is that it's completely free, takes only a few minutes, and you don't need to install any software. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more Windows tips, PC optimization guides, and tech tutorials. Alright, let's get started. Press the Windows key together with the R key on your keyboard. This will open the Run dialog box. In the open box, type msconfig, then click OK. This opens the System Configuration window in Windows 11. At the top, click on the Boot tab. On the right side, you'll see Timeout, which is usually set to around 30 seconds by default. Change this value to about 3 to 6 seconds. Then click Apply. This reduces the amount of time Windows waits during startup, helping your PC boot faster. Next, click on the Startup tab. Then select Open Task Manager. When Task Manager opens, click Startup Apps on the left side. Here you'll see a list of applications that start automatically when Windows boots. Look through the list and disable the apps that you don't need running at startup. For example, I usually disable these apps to increase my computer boot time. Xbox, Steam, Microsoft Teams, Copilot. Make sure to keep important programs enabled, such as antivirus and your graphics card, because you would want them to start automatically. Everything else that you rarely use at startup can be disabled. Disabling unnecessary startup apps helps free up memory, reduce CPU usage, and significantly improve boot speed. Once you are done, close Task Manager. Back in the System Configuration window, click OK. Windows will ask if you want to restart your computer. Click Restart. Keep in mind that the first restart may take slightly longer because Windows is applying the new settings. After that, the next time you shut down and power on your laptop or desktop, you should notice a much faster startup. This simple tweak works on most Windows laptops and desktops and is one of the easiest ways to speed up boot time without downloading any third-party software. If this tutorial helped you, please like this video, subscribe to Ranphils Tech, and share it with someone whose computer takes forever to start. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.